Hey, aloha mai. I'm just hanging out in the garden watching the rainfall. Kupuna se ue kalani ola kahonua. The sky cries, the earth lives. So this week I wanted to share with you another favorite plant of mine that's in the garden. Her name, her inoa, is lehua mamo. Can you say that? Lehua mamo. O lehua mamo ka inoa. Instead of petals, she has eyelashes. And if you look really closely, can you see that? There's little droplets of water being caught by those eyelashes. On Lānaʻi, lehua lives all the way up on Lānaʻi Hale. And up there, sometimes it doesn't rain a lot. But as the clouds pass through, those little eyelashes reaches through all of the clouds. They catch those little droplets of water. The water falls down to the ground and the tree grows. We're seeing a lot of ola on this whole ʻāina because of all the rain we're having. So this week our theme is ola ka ʻāina, ola ke Kānaka. When the land is healthy, then people are healthy. I tell you, I've really felt it this week. Just working here in the garden, I'm using muscles that I don't use all the time. I can feel myself being a little bit achy, but that's my muscles telling me that I'm getting stronger. So it really is true. The more I work here in the garden, the healthier I feel, the stronger I get. When I take care of the land and I try to make it healthy, the land helps me be healthy too. Okay, let's review. This lehua has an inoa. O wai kona inoa, remember? O lehua mamo kona inoa. Do you remember her? This little pua has an inoa too. O koʻoloa ula kona inoa. And let's not forget all of you. O na pua ka ʻāina, the flowers of Lānaʻi. So the challenge this week is to introduce ourselves and our ʻāina using the language of the land. ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi. So first I want you guys to practice saying your name. O, what's your own name? Koʻu inoa. For me, it would be O Kumu Simon, koʻu inoa. Next, you can tell us what the name of your ʻāina is. So for all of us living here in Lānaʻi City, the name of our ahupua'a is Kamoku. O Kamoku, koʻu ʻāina. O Kamoku, koʻu ʻāina. Kamoku is my ʻāina. And lastly, no Lānaʻi mai au. That means I am from Lānaʻi. Alright, now let's all try this together. O, say your name. Koʻu inoa. O, koʻu inoa. Mai kaʻi. O Kamoku, koʻu ʻāina. O Kamoku koʻu ʻāina. Mai kaʻi. No Lānaʻi mai au. No Lānaʻi mai au. And make sure you don't put an okina here and say mai au. There's no okina here. So it says mai au. No Lānaʻi mai au. Okay, hanaho one more time with me. Aloha mai. O Kumu Simon koʻu inoa. O Kamoku koʻu ʻāina. No Lānaʻi mai au. So just practice. Just practice one of those and send me a video. I want to see us all practicing our ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi. You can pick any one of these sentences and say it in the video, or you can do all three of them. And for an extra bonus, if you want, take the selfie next to a male canoe that you want.
Alright, boys and girls, the moment we've all been waiting for, Aola Art Exhibition. Caitlin with her beautiful Be Healthy poster. Remember that warning, do not eat bad food. Great job, Caitlin. Next we have Brayden's high contrast crisp drawing Aola and Eholoi Ko Lima. Not satisfied with just one theme, he took on two. Stay home and wash your hands. Love that hand sanitizer, Brayden. Radical. Wait, is that a rainbow? That's right, Sophia's bold use of colors tells a story right away. Check out those soap suds. You can't get bubbles like that without washing for 20 seconds. Way to go, Sophia, standing in the light of day. Can you hear that flowing water? Look at that, just like a waterfall coming down the slopes of Mauna Lei. Beautiful rainbow, Leilani, Eola, Hale and Kamakana Okalani. Look at that clear, crisp lettering, those bright red letters and that swirling water. Tita, you give 'em.
But all antics aside, mahalo to all the ohana, the moms and dads, all of the keiki who submitted beautiful artwork this week. This last set of drawings is by a family of 3. The first is by Kamino Akamaikalani, who writes, "This drawing tells me that we should have faith that the earth will be corona-free." Hey, mahalo for that mana'o shailam. Words like that help me believe that together we are gonna make it through. Next up we have Shailam's sister, Kahilu. She has her beautiful own take on the same theme, the earth as a heart full of love. Mahalo e Kahilu. And after Kahilu we have the youngest brother, Kamalu Hekuava. Tej, this is such a joyful drawing. Just like everyone else, your personalities all shine through, so unique, everyone. The next one is by Xavier. Xavier, I was really impressed with the way that you chose to use the ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi, the Hawaiian language, in your whole drawing. Mahalo for recording all of those words. And last but not least, we have Agape. I'm told that Agape likes to work out and flex afterward. But a great way to malama your kino, Agape. Mahalo for your beautiful painting. So it's not too late to turn in another drawing if you guys want to. I'll keep sharing artwork as it keeps coming in. Mahalo to all the parents, the moms and dads who helped submit the artwork. It really is important work, Kiki, that you guys are doing. I felt very inspired by your drawings, and it really brightened my day. And it's the kind of joy that you guys bring that helps us keep on working each day too. So mahalo to everyone for adapting to the changes we're going through right now. I'm wishing you guys all be safe and healthy. Until we meet again, you guys take care in the right way. Ahui ho, ma'alama pono. Eola.